Hey, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the font size in Yahoo Mail, how to change the text size on Yahoo, on the computer, PC, Mac, and on a mobile phone as well. If you use your Yahoo on a mobile phone, I will show you how to change the text size, how to make it bigger or smaller on the Yahoo Mail application at the end of this video. So that being said, let's start this tutorial, shall we? This is a straight to the point tutorial, so let's jump right into it. I went through all the versions of Yahoo Mail available right now, so this is the new Yahoo Mail. If we go to the settings and we get back and if we downgrade it a little bit, we can get to the classic view of Yahoo Mail. And if we go one more time, let me see, where is that? More settings, and now switch to basic mail. So I went through all the versions of Yahoo Mail, doesn't matter which one you are using right now. There is no available option in the settings of Yahoo Mail in any of these versions. So I went through the settings of all three versions of Yahoo Mail. Let's get back to now to the newest. There is no settings to change the font size or the text size in Yahoo Mail. The only settings right now available, I will show you where is that, is if you want to go to settings, then you'll find here at writing email down below you can modify the font size when you are writing an email. Let's change it to tiny right now. We can type something. You can see it's a very small text. If we go back and change from tiny to let's go to the huge, compose a new email, now it's huge. All right, so this is the only text and font size I found on Yahoo Mail, but there is still a way how to change the font size and the text size in Yahoo Mail. This setting from here won't influence anything from here. Okay, so the only setting I found to increase the text size, the font size on Yahoo Mail, or to make it smaller, okay, is if you use a shortcut from your internet browser. As an example, if you use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox, including Safari, there is a way how to change the font size in Yahoo Mail and how to change the text size in Yahoo Mail. I want you to open one of these browsers, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari if you have a Mac, and open a new tab, and you have to go to mail.yahoo.com, and now sign in into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you are on this page, I will tell you right now the shortcut. The Safari is the last because that's different, but for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox, we have the same exact shortcut. We have to hold Ctrl on our keyboard. And now if we play with our mouse wheel, we can make the text smaller, or if we scroll in the opposite direction, we can make the text and the font bigger. So that's all we have to do. We have to hold Ctrl on our keyboard and play with the mouse wheel. For the Safari, for the Mac users, instead of Ctrl, you don't have Ctrl on your keyboard, you have to hold Command on your keyboard, okay? So hold Command and in the same time play with the mouse wheel. Instead of Ctrl, you have to hold Command. And if you are a Google Chrome user, you'll find three dots right here in the top right, and now you can find zoom settings right here. In the same way, you can play with this as you can with the shortcut with Ctrl and mouse wheel. Good, so that being said, now let's jump on the mobile phone to show you how to change the font size and the text size on the Yahoo Mail application for the mobile users. Well, on the mobile phone it's slightly different. We have to increase the font size and the text size through the settings of our phone, because if we change the settings from our phone regarding text, that will also increase the text size inside our Yahoo Mail application. Okay, so this is an iPhone, but for the Android it's the same. So I'm speaking right now for both iPhone and Android, just the interface will be slightly different for you. Alright, so just open the settings of your phone, not of Yahoo Mail application, and now I want you to find display settings, because most phones will have the text size setting inside display, so under display. I found display, let's press on it, okay, and I found here text size. Let's press on it once again, and as you can see, I have the smallest available text right now. Let's have a look inside Yahoo. Okay, so this is how it looks now. If we go back in settings and increase this tiny setting slightly to the right, you can see the text become bigger. Let's go to the maximum, and now back to Yahoo. You can see now it's a big difference. All the text now is bigger and is not that small as it was in the past. So that's how to increase the text size and the font size on a computer, PC, and Mac, and on a mobile phone as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful. A comment would be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.